Well, this is our processing center. And I like walking people through here because when you tell them what we do, and then when they see what we do, it makes it a lot easier to see it than just to talk about it. We are a third-party reverse distributor of expired pharmaceuticals. We take back expired products, expired pharmaceutical products from pharmacies, return those to the manufacturer for credit. Pharmacy gets money for the unused portion, and we help them recover critical working capital. I wish it was my idea to start with. I actually worked at a company for about 1.5 years that was involved in pharmaceutical inventories, and then decided that I was going to go ahead and give it a shot on my own.
The fact that it was a small company, because I didn't want something too big coming right out of school and not really having a ton of business experience before this. I like the fact that I could know everybody and I wasn't just another number on a page. I was actually a guy with a name who came in and could make a difference.
I've worked for Fortune 500 companies. I've worked for some of the more largely employed private companies as well. This is really a great size because not only is it's small enough to have your voice heard, but it's big enough to where you can grow. We're a completely agile company. We can make decisions quickly and we can execute on them quickly. That's very exciting.
The company is growing. Every quarter is a record-breaking quarter for us with customers, with accuracy, retention rates, and revenue. This is the 3rd building that we've been in 7 years, and we're looking to go into a 4th new building.
At this station and what goes on here, this is really kind of where the rubber hits the road. So we've got more than 3,000 manufacturer return policies in our system. We've got 15 years worth of software development into this software program.
We're implementing all sorts of things where we're being proactive and rather than just reactive, and that's a really important part of what we do, is we go out, we ask people if they need help, we push information to them rather than just saying, what problems do you have today?
We have just begun to scratch the surface of which customers we're able to actually service. We're a very small presence in the independent retail space. We're a very small presence in the chain drug space. We have a very strong position in Department of Defense and hospital, and we're going to look to leverage those relationships and that track record to grow in our core business. The other side of the opportunity for us is also on the healthcare industry and in the healthcare space. While the insurance regulations are changing on the payer side and on the reimbursement side, they're not changing on the pharmaceutical side and they're not changing on the return side. And so our revenue and our profit has actually been up consistently for 15 years, and this year was no different.
Pharmaceuticals aren't going away. And actually, as more and more people are retiring, especially the baby boomer generation, we're going to see more and more influx of pharmaceuticals into the marketplace. It's a great industry to be in. And again, it's not going anywhere. People need medications.